To import a PDF in my Viewboard for Android, go to the magic box in the main toolbar, and then either choose local storage as indicated by the hard drive icon here, or your cloud storage based on the icon next to the hard drive. Navigate to the folder where you have your PDFs, and then double tap to download and import the PDF. Close the magic box, and then use the page navigation to navigate between your pages that were imported. Note that every page in the PDF will be imported. However, very large PDFs may not import properly due to their large size and number of pages. When a PDF image is imported, it is imported as an image that can be edited. So using the select tool, you can drag across and see the menu down here on the bottom right. So if I wanted to lock the image, I could use a lock button, or I can use two fingers to pinch and zoom in on the PDF. Likewise, I could use Infinite Canvas to annotate over the PDF and then pinch and zoom in and drag around to navigate.